Okay, hey guys. We have a small package here. And we're going to open it together. Let me see what else is in the box. A wireless CarPlay Android Auto Adapter. 2-in-1 US. Okay. Let's open this. You know, I thought this would be bigger from the images I saw on Amazon. Wow. It's a wireless CarPlay for Android adapter, 2-in-1 So you have your C chargers. You also have your C to USB. And then you have this thing. Car Smart Box. Car Smart Box. I'm pulling tape off the front and the back. A little shiny apparatus. Okay, Car Smart Box. I have a C charger right here. So that's what came in the box. Those 3 things. You don't get the block. But this block works with my tablet, my iPad. So if you have an iPad, you're already Gucci. Oh, hold on. The cord is really short. So I'm gonna finish this in the car. That's what I'm gonna do. Do I have a C charger? I don't. Okay, I use the other one. My car is a 2023. I don't know why I thought this would be the big screen. But we're gonna look at this in the car. Okay, guys, I had this for a few weeks. I had to work with it. I have an iPhone, but it also works with Android. You Bluetooth this box to your phone, and you can use hands-free, and you can use the GPS. It has a calendar, and I like the color of the calendar. You can also use your phone to listen to YouTube videos and use the GPS at the same time attached to the car. Now, there is a slot in your car where you plug in iPhone CarPlay. This little box is CarPlay. So you can either use this box or you can use your phone. Now, I did speak to one of my friends that has an Android. They said they can use hands-free with the Android without this box, but they can't use CarPlay. So if you have music on your phone, you can get messages hands-free. You can talk to this box. It'll answer the person. So this allows a person with Android to use hands-free. And if you don't want to put your iPhone, you want to use your iPhone for something else, then you can use this box as well. So I did have a Android that's not connected to the internet, And I did have some video stored on it, but I wasn't able to download. But as you can see, with my iPhone, it's still going to show you the directions printed, but you're going to get the map on the screen in color. So it looks like an upgrade. This is the screen map that comes with my car. As you can see, it's kind of like in black and whitish. It's not a whole lot of pop of color. All you have to do right here is push Apple CarPlay, switch it back to the box, and it's going to give you this color. And I prefer that. It gives you the speed over there. The speed, it gives you the speed you're going, the speed that you're supposed to be going, the distance. It speaks to you over the speakers. So, yeah, this is a good thing to have, especially if you have an Android. It allows you to connect to the Apple CarPlay. That's what I figured out, and it is around $50. It is on Amazon. It's also in my Amazon store. Okay, this is my car before it's plugged up. This is the USB that it plugs into. Once it's plugged up, it automatically goes to 2 seconds. Yeah, it goes to your phone and then CarPlay. And then you choose from your phone what you want to do. I have a bunch of little smudges on my... But yeah, mostly you can use the so these are the features. That feature lets people know you're driving and can't answer the phone. But you're hands-free, so you can still answer the phone, so I turned it off. Have a calendar.
Welcome home.